Hello, if you want to change icon style or shape on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can use a custom theme for icons. In order to find that, we need to open Settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to Themes. You will open Galaxy Themes Store. Now at the bottom, choose Icons, and over here you have different categories that you can go through. However, I'm gonna choose Top over here, and now on the left side where it says all, I can tap on this text in order to choose free. So now I can see only most popular free icon themes. And of course, now we search for the theme that we like the most. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and I can press download. Keep in mind that in order to download and use the theme, you will need to set up the Samsung account. If you already have Samsung account, then you will need to sign in. If you don't, then you will need to register. You need to create one. It is actually fairly simple, and simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to do that. So once it is done, once we have it downloaded, we can press apply. Wait a couple of seconds, and we should be back in the home screen with a new theme for icons. And this is how we can change style or shape of our icons. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.